Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei FitWatch to your Android device. First, make sure your Huawei FitWatch has sufficient battery and is turned on. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from the Google Play Store onto your Android phone. Finally, activate the Bluetooth feature on your Android device to prepare for pairing. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's move on to the pairing process. Open the Huawei Health app on your Android phone. Within the app, find and tap on the Devices tab, then select Add Device. Choose Smartwatches from the list and locate your specific Huawei Fit model. The app will then guide you through confirming the connection on both your phone and your watch, usually involving a simple tap. Once paired, it's important to manage syncing and permissions. The Huawei Health app will request several permissions, such as access to notifications, location, and contacts. Granting these is essential for your watch to display alerts and track data accurately. Also, ensure the app is allowed to run in the background on your Android device to maintain a stable and continuous connection, preventing data loss or missed notifications. Finally, here are some quick troubleshooting tips for common issues. If your watch isn't connecting, try restarting both your Android phone and your Huawei FitWatch. If problems persist, consider clearing the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone settings. Also, make sure no other Bluetooth devices are currently paired with your watch, as this can sometimes interfere with the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.